Active middle splits. We use this in phase 1 of the UMS as it is an excellent introduction to middle splits training, and it effectively prepares you for more challenging progressions to come in the later phases. To set up, hold on to something that can support you and prevent you from falling over. Open your legs as wide as possible without going to the point of pain. Turn your toes out so you can balance and reduce the stress on your ankles and knees. Then squeeze your legs into the floor. You should feel the muscles down the inside of your thighs working hard in this stretch. Once you get to your full range of motion and start squeezing the legs together, you should be able to stand up without holding onto anything. The 30-second hold time starts now. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Take your time and the flexibility will come. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: turn toes out as needed, keep your knees straight, squeeze your feet into the floor.